Everywhere, most of the preachers spend their time in criticizing other ministries, criticizing the bishops, criticizing the pastors. Have God anointed you people for these things? On the judgment day, you will shiver before the presence of the Almighty God. He will ask you, who give you authority to criticize my people? கேவலமான ஒரு காரியம், மகா கேவலம். மேடையில் ஏறி மற்றவர்களை திட்டுவதற்காக, மற்ற ஊழியர்களை திட்டுவதற்காக எந்த ஒரு மனிதன் எழும்பி நிற்கிறானோ அவன் சபிக்கப்பட்டவன். Let me say it again as God's prophet. If any man thinks that he is something, stands up God's platform and begins to criticize other ministries, let me say as God's prophet, now and here, he is a cursed man. He is a cursed woman.